Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Tally Prime on your desktop. To begin, find the Tally Prime shortcut icon, which typically looks like a blue T, right on your desktop screen. Simply double-click this icon to launch the application. If you cannot find it there, you can always go to the Windows Start menu, type Tally Prime into the search bar, and then click on the application from the results. Once Tally Prime opens, you will see the Select Company screen. Here, you have two main options. You can either choose an existing company from the list provided, which will load your previous financial data. Or, if you are starting fresh, select the Create Company option to set up a brand new company profile and begin your accounting journey. After selecting or creating your company, you will arrive at the gateway of Tally. This is your central dashboard, offering a comprehensive view of all Tally Prime functionalities. From here, you can access masters like ledgers, enter transactions such as sales and purchases, and view various reports. Remember, Tally Prime is highly keyboard-driven, so learning a few shortcuts will significantly speed up your work. To ensure a smooth experience with Tally Prime, consider a few tips. First, always ensure your computer meets the recommended system requirements for optimal performance. Second, make it a habit to regularly back up your company data. This is crucial for data security. Finally, keep your Tally Prime software updated to the latest version to benefit from new features and security enhancements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.